So I've just spent some time comparing the Xiaomi 17 Max 5G and the regular Xiaomi 17 5G, and honestly, both are beasts, but they target very different users. Starting with the 17 Max, this thing is all about power and endurance. You're getting a massive 6.9-inch display, a huge 8,000 mAh battery, and a 200 mAh triple camera setup. In real use, it feels like a phone built for heavy gaming, long streaming sessions, and people who hate charging every night. Now, the Xiaomi 17 5G is more balanced. It's smaller, lighter, and easier to handle one-handed. The camera system is tuned more for consistency than raw specs, and you still get flagship-level performance with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. So which one wins? Honestly, if you want battery life and max specs, the 17 Max is the clear winner. But if you prefer comfort, better portability, and a more refined daily experience, the Xiaomi 17 5G takes it. For me, I'd pick the regular 17 for everyday use, but the Max is tempting if you're a power user.